Welcome. This presentation will guide you through effective strategies to tackle multiple choice questions in the IELTS listening test. Say goodbye to losing marks and confidently select the correct answers. So, here today we will learn how to avoid losing marks in MCQs. Are these your MCQ challenges? Struggling with similar sounding options? Confused between two seeming correct answers? Losing marks repeatedly on MCQs? Many IELTS test takers face these common pitfalls. Let's dive into practical tips to overcome them and boost your score. Tip number 1: prepare before you listen. The key to conquering MCQs lies in preparation. Before the audio even starts, make sure you are ready to listen actively and effectively. Read the questions and options before listening. Don't wait for the audio to begin. Use the 30-second preview time to familiarize yourself with what to expect. Highlight keywords in both questions and options. This helps you identify what specific information you need to listen for during the recording. Listen for synonyms and paraphrases. IELTS often uses different words or phrases to convey the same meaning as options. Train your ears for these variations. Tip number 2: resist the early choice. It is tempting to select an answer as soon as you hear something similar, but this is a common trap. Patience is a virtue in IELTS listening. Don't pick up the first option you hear. Many test takers fall for this first word or phrase that sound familiar. The speaker might mention several options, but only one is correct. Wait until the speaker finishes the relevant section. The correct answer might be clarified or contradicted later on in the sentence or dialogue. Listen for the full context. IELTS loves distractors. These are the words or phrases designed to sound correct but are ultimately wrong. They often appear early in the audio related to an option. Tip number 3: master the art of elimination. When the answer isn't immediately obvious, smart elimination can save your score. If you're unsure, don't guess randomly. Use what you have heard to narrow down the choices. Rule out clearly wrong or unrelated options. Listen for details that directly contradict an option or render it irrelevant to the question. Pick the most accurate choice among the remaining. Even if you are not 100% sure, eliminating incorrect answers significantly increases your odds at choosing correctly. Bonus tip: practice with transcripts. Beyond just listening, actively engaging with transcripts can transform your MCQ performance. Practice using IELTS listening transcripts. After listening a practice test, read the transcript while re listening to the audio. Understand how answers are hidden. Analyze how distractors are used and how the correct answer is paraphrased or presented subtly. Build focus and speed. This practice sharpens your ability to quickly identify relevant information and avoid traps under timed conditions. Key takeaways for MCQ success. By applying these four strategies, you will significantly improve your IELTS listening MCQ accuracy and confidence. Number 1, read the options in advance. Scan the questions and options, highlighting keywords before the audio plays. Eliminate wisely. Rule out incorrect options to narrow down your choices and increase accuracy. Wait and confirm before choosing. Don't jump at the first sound alike. Listen for the full context. Practice with transcripts. Analyze how the answers are formulated and distractors are used to improve your listening comprehension. Ready to ace your IELTS listening? Unlock more powerful tips, mock tests, and comprehensive video courses. Download the app Fluent Edge now for realistic mock tests, targeted practice modules, and complete video course for all the sections.